This is Joe Fryer in Jacksonville, North Carolina, 20 miles in from the ocean, where the storm is wreaking havoc, ripping off part of a roof at the Triangle Motor Inn.
Everything collapsed on us. A big bang, the roof went, and all of the ceiling fell down on us.
Bill Thomas is one of 60 guests who had to be evacuated. He actually lives near Wilmington and was trying to escape the hurricane's path, but the storm found him. What's your hope right now?
Just to get home. And I'm tired of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
The rain as relentless as the wind, with neighborhoods already flooding. Just last night, the New River stopped on the other side of that fence. Today, it's overflowing beyond its banks, a combination of storm surge, high tide, and over a foot of rain here.
This is more than another hurricane. This is a lot more.
Tonight, as floodwaters rise, the drama of Florence is reaching far beyond the coast. River flooding is a big concern tonight across North and South Carolina. Inland areas could see up to 15 inches of rain in isolated spots, and there could be flooding as far away as 300 miles from here.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.